Looking to upgrade your duct production line? This is our aluminum flexible duct manufacturing machine, designed for efficiency, precision, and versatility. This machine is specially engineered to produce aluminum flexible ducts using aluminum foil or metallized PET film, reinforced with steel wire. For ventilation applications, it supports multiple product types, including aluminum duct, PVC laminated aluminum duct, double-layer aluminum duct, equipped with automatic cutting. The system ensures smooth, continuous production with a maximum feeding speed of 2.5 meters per second. It significantly boosts your output efficiency. The line can also be integrated with a casing machine, a compressing machine, expanding your product range even further. Key advantages: enhance your production capacity with one versatile solution, offer a wide range of high-quality duct products, meet strict fire rating standards for safety and compliance. Reliable performance ensures long-term value and ROI. Whether you are in HVAC, manufacturing, or ventilation systems, this machine is your ideal production partner. Contact us now for more details and quotation.